guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I hope you are having an amazing day. This is Creativity and Inspiration, and I'm Lisa. So today I was going to start our Get Organized video, which is one I desperately need, but I just realized I missed a step. When we started the year, we started with setting our goals. Our last video was about getting rid of all the negativity, all the failure, all the sadness. And we can't go to organize yet because we forgot to be thankful. We forgot to write down what we're thankful for, what's going to motivate us through the bad times, what's going to help us get through the bad times. Okay, and this is so important. You might be going, well, it's not that important, is it? It's very important because something I forgot to mention in the last video is getting rid of the sadness, the failures, all of that is not a one-time thing and you're done till the end of the year or until next year. This is something that we need to do, once a week, once a month, once every 3 months, whatever works for you. And we do have the failures, we do have negativity, we do have sadness, we do have, just life. And so we need to once a week do the process of writing them down however you did it before and throwing them away, burning them. Well, after you do that, you need something to pump you up because yes, you feel better, you feel lighter. Excuse me, I'm still sick. You feel better, you feel lighter because you did get rid of the negativity, the failures, but you need something to build you up, to pump you back up. You need to read what you're thankful for, what motivates you. You need to read what you're thankful for, what motivates you, what is going to, okay, I can do this, what's going to get you up, get you going, and ready to hit those goals again the next day or that same day. So today, that's what we're talking about. We're going to write down things that we are thankful for, that motivate us, that just pick us up. Because we all need a pick up every now and then. And just like getting rid of the bad stuff, there's multiple ways that you can write down what you're thankful for, what motivates you, what pumps you up, picks you up, and you can call it whatever you want as well. So come on closer and I'm going to share my little stack of ideas I had for keeping track of what we're thankful for. And I'll share what I'm going to do. So come on in and let's get started. I will move the vintage cookbooks out of the way. This is for my vintage channel. It's going to be Cook a Vintage Recipe with me. And we're actually going to start with one of my grandmother's recipes, so it should be fun. But anyway, so I'll get all this mess cleaned off my desk as well, so you can come in and see my ideas for being thankful. Okay guys, so there's a lot of ways you can do this, and it's totally individualized. Oops, gotta change the battery, be right back. Okay guys, sorry about that, the battery died. So there's a lot of ways you can record what you're thankful for, what motivates you, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm just going to give you some very quick ideas and show you what I'm going to do. First is the simple little playing card, right? But this can very easily be turned into a card that says what you're thankful for or what motivates you. And it's simple. On the outside, you could gesso it, you could paint it, you could put a picture of what motivates you. You could put a picture of what you call it, thankful card, thankfulness or motivator, whatever you want to. And then on the other side, you write what you're thankful for, what you're motivated by. Now, here's my example. This is using an image. I just drew it real quick. It's a lock and key, okay? Because it's the key to my success is what I'm thankful for. And then on the side, I just wrote very simply, I am thankful for my family. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be this simple. Or you could do something with words, thankful, thankful, thankful all over. And then on the other side, you could write out, I am thankful for the support and love my family always gives to me. So you can do it multiple ways, and then when you get it all done, and of course these would be glued or taped down, you poke a hole and put it on a keychain and keep it near your goals journal. That way, or keep it where it's handy, where you can get to it really quickly. So if you're having a bad day, you can write down the bad things, throw them in the trash, and pull this out and see it. You always want what you're thankful for, what motivates you, very, very close to you. Another way to do it, because I call them the keys to my success, you could put them on keys. And again, then poke a hole and put it on a keychain. And these are just some cute skeleton key patterns that I had drawn up and cut out for something before. So that's that. You could make a tag. We all make tags all the time. As you can see, I used a white tag. I used some of our base papers, which are the graph paper, and then I use some decorative papers, which are the inside of the envelope, the hatched, and the solid is just another decorative paper. And then our bling, of course, is the washi tape that is silver and blingy. Okay, very basic way to put a tag together. It works for me every time. I think I have a video about it. If I'll try to link it above. And like I said, it's just a plain white tag. So I made this side pleasing to the eye. You could put words on here, thankfulness, motivators, whatever you wanted to. And then on the back, you can write out what you want. And again, it has the hole at the top to slide on those keychains or tie them together with yarn, whatever, just so you have it handy and they're all together, because you'll need to flip through all of them just to overcome a really bad day. Okay? Now for me, here's my goal journal. And I love my journal very, very much. And for you that didn't see, I made it this way, but it actually opens this way. And I have it divided by career, creative, and personal. And that's going to be all my goals. And remember, just as you add goals and take goals away because you accomplish them, you can add motivators, take motivators away, or what you're thankful for, because what upsets you is going to change too. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I took some very basic, plain vintage postcards I had. I decorated them up. I added an image and I added some words, and I just made them super cute, super fun. And I thought these would be a blast to list my thankfulness or thank yous or motivators on. And that's another thing. You can just make a list on paper if you want. You don't have to create any type of, pretty. But because we're crafters, we always do create pretty stuff or unusual stuff. So anyway, I was playing around. I did a TikTok on these. If you don't follow me on TikTok, it's linked down below. Anyway, so I thought I would use these to write what I'm thankful for. And because they're so closely connected to the goals for my year, I'm going to just put these inside here. I'm going to use washi tape to connect them. And that way they will flip up and then flip down, okay? And what I'm going to do is write on the postcard itself, and I'm going to write what I'm thankful for in list form. That's how I like to do it. If I get more thankfulness or if I want to change them, I can always take them out and put a new postcard in. It's that simple. I could also just use this as a pocket to make it more fun, because I love these, and then put the list of thankful items inside the pocket. But I'm actually going to use the vintage postcard, write what I'm thankful for, and flip it up. Now, if I need more than one postcard, I can put it on the separators for each of my goals. Or I could put it all the way in the back and put one on the front and one on the back cover. And that way, no one really knows what they are. When you look, it's just a funny picture. So that's something too. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put what I'm thankful for in list form on a vintage postcard that I'm not using. Great use for these vintage postcards. And don't forget to decorate them up. And I'm going to attach them inside my goals journal. every 2 weeks when I write down all the stuff that, has upset me, frustrated me, or whatever, and I throw it in the trash, then I can come to my goals journal. I can read, what I'm thankful for, what motivates me, and then I can, stay steady on the course or even expand the course, knock something off my list, accomplish a goal. Anyway, that's how I'm going to do what I'm thankful for. That's how I'm going to use my vintage postcards. If you want to see what I did to create these, head over to TikTok. Again, everybody's different, so you might want to do, an altered playing card, a tag, whatever suits you. You might want to cut out a specific shape. Just remember to keep your goals and what you're thankful for close together because they do work hand in hand. Okay, guys, I know this was supposed to be an organized with me. That one is the next one because, believe it or not, these are building blocks for our year, and we almost skipped a building block, which would have made us tumble at some point this year. We're not going to tumble. We have a sturdy base now, and organizing is the next video. So be sure, and if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, be sure and hit that subscribe button and that little bell and click all on that little bell so you don't miss any of the great videos we have planned for you this year. So leave me a comment down below. How are you going to record what you're thankful for? Just on a sheet of paper in a list, on a fancy tag, or something else? I'd love to know. Thanks for being here today, guys. Don't forget to head over to my Instagram to see how the beautiful tags are put together, or over to my TikTok to see about these crazy, funny, great use for vintage postcards. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.